a list that you are having difficulty figuring out, just contact us because we can pre-build these products, like I said, for you. So if you came in and you then asked me for framing contractors, or we'll do lawyers. So you're asking me for lawyers. Actually, I already did lawyers. It's not going to work. Let me see what Gemini said of ideas. Okay. So these are all over the place. Bakery, manufacturing, breweries. Consolidate 5 groups of NAICS codes that can be used for manufacturing and warehouse. That's a common thing people ask for. Can you help me find owners of warehousing or owners of distribution and logistics companies? That is a very, very common one. And this would be an instance where I would recommend using the custom list selection so that way you don't miss anything. So if you were building the custom list, you are able to use multiple codes at the same time if they're comma separated. So I'm going to instruct Gemini to comma separate the sets of the NAICS codes, because then it's just going to be easier for you and your user to, so food and beverage production plus cold chain. So if you had a customer coming in looking for beverage and food manufacturing and distribution, you would either have to instruct them to do the filters by going to dashboard, businesses. I do command F or control F, and now I'll type in and paste these sets of NAICS codes. And we found 7,753. So either you would need to research this on your own, or you would need to meet with somebody to figure out what is the best way to find it. Or as a backup option, I can make a data product for you. Go to B2B, pre-select these NAICS codes, and I'm going to take the name that Gemini gave me, select get count. You'll see we get the same exact count as before, create list. And when we go back, we now have this list and it is equal to what we searched. And like the other list, if we wanted to make sure this list of food and beverage owners, production owners, have a cell phone, we can go up to our switches on the very top and flip the cell phone switch. And I also, again, like I keep saying, owner age, I like to cap it. I like to put a limit, upper and lower limit. So now I'm left with 4,589 people that are in the appropriate age I'm looking for with a cell phone and that own a food and beverage production company.